This is Tasha. She already has thousands of followers, a personal brand, and famous brands are lining up to work with her. But here's the secret:
I am not real.
there is a huge shift in the social media industry right now, a shift that everyone with a laptop can join. Becoming an influencer without ever showing your face. You can send your influencer to the Maldives in seconds. You can copy trends without ever touching a camera, and still grow more followers and make more money than some real influencers.
So, let's get started.
In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow on how to create an AI influencer completely for free and how to grow your audience to make money fast. And make sure you stay until the end, because I have a surprise for you that you definitely don't want to miss. First, go to this website called Appo AI and create a free account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on this page, and in the top right corner, you'll see that you have 80 free credits available. With these, you can generate around 2 images per day, and the credits reset daily, so you can keep creating consistently without paying anything. Now go to Train a New Model, and here you have 2 options. You can either upload an image of your model or generate one using the AI generator. I personally recommend the first option because it gives you much more realistic results. So go to Pinterest and search for something like girl selfie. Once you find a person that fits the style you're going for, download the image and upload it into Appo. Then just give your model a name and save it. After that, you can start generating different images of your influencer. You can either use the prompt section or adjust the settings below to control things like style, lighting, and pose. Now, I want to create a lifestyle image of her standing in an airport, so I type a simple prompt like this. She is standing in an airport terminal, wearing headphones and a comfy oversized sweater. She has a stylish bag over her shoulder. Natural, candid pose, looking relaxed and confident. Soft, natural lighting, modern airport background, slightly blurred people in the background, photorealistic, smartphone photo style, authentic lifestyle moment. Before generating, make sure to set the image quantity to 1, the aspect ratio to 9:16, and the quality to Ultra 2K. Then click Generate. And after a few seconds, we have an ultra-realistic Instagram-ready picture of her. Now, I also want to generate another image of her sitting in a car, which I'll use later in the video. For that, I simply enter a prompt like this. After generating, we get a very realistic image that we can use in the next step. Now, to bring these images to life, we're going to use Veo 3 inside Google Flow, which is also completely free. When you sign up, you get 100 free credits plus an additional 50 credits every day, which is roughly enough for about 2 videos per day without spending anything. After logging in, you'll land on this page. From here, click on New Project. In the bottom right corner, you can now choose exactly what you want to generate. In my case, I select Video with Frames, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and keep it at 1 generation. You can also choose the video model, and here I recommend using Veo 3.1 Fast because it offers a great balance between quality and cost efficiency. Now I upload my photo as start frame and enter a simple prompt like this. She is looking directly into the camera in a natural influencer-style video. At the beginning, she gives a short, friendly smile, then starts speaking in a relaxed and confident tone. She says, "It's so crazy how realistic this looks and sounds, right? Subtle head movement, natural blinking, soft lighting, realistic facial expressions, slight handheld camera feel, photorealistic, authentic social media style." And here is my result.
It's so crazy how realistic this looks and sounds, right?
As you can see, it already looks very realistic. You might notice a small watermark in the bottom right corner, but that's an easy fix. You can either use a tool like VMake or simply import the clip into CapCut and slightly zoom in so the watermark is no longer visible. Now, if you also want your AI influencer to copy viral trends, we're going to use another tool. Go to the website wan.video. Here, you get around 10 free credits per day. Once you're inside, go to Avatar and then select Character Swap. Now you can upload a video and your AI influencer. For example, I went on TikTok and searched for something like viral dance trends and picked a clip that fits my style. As you can see, in this case, it even costs 0 credits, which makes it perfect for testing. And this is my result. Now let's talk about how you can actually make money with an AI influencer. There are in fact countless possibilities, ranging from brand deals and affiliate marketing to fan subscription platforms and more. But my personal secret tip is a strategy that one creator on Instagram is already using very successfully. He has built an audience of around 2.5 million followers, yet everything about him is completely AI generated. And instead of relying only on sponsorships or ads, he monetizes his audience by selling a course priced at around $50. Now, if we assume that just 1% of his followers purchased that course, he would have already made about $1.25 million from that alone. But it doesn't stop there. He also sells 3 different ebooks, each priced at roughly $20. So you can probably already see where this is going. Multiple income streams stacked on top of each other, resulting in millions of dollars. Absolutely crazy. Now, I have a little surprise for you. If you want to go even further and build something bigger with AI, make sure to download my free ebook where I show you how to create your own AI influencer, gain thousands of followers, and make money with it. Check out the link in the description. It's completely free. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more AI strategies, content ideas, and ways to make money online. See you soon.